Hello everyone, welcome to Dom's World TV, the cooking and math tutorial channel. Stay tuned for the exciting video.
Hello everyone, here is the problem to be solved. We have here 1/2 y power of 2 plus 2 over 3 equals to negative 2 over 3y. So in this case, we have to solve for the value of y. Solution: rewrite the given equation. Then write it into this form. Next is to cross-multiply the left side, then simplify. Next is to multiply the left
and the right side terms. Then simplify. Now in this case, let's equate this to 0. Next, divide the constants by 3 because all the constants and coefficients are divisible by 3. The 9, 12, 12. Then go ahead and simplify. The next is to identify the values of a, b, c because by this expression we're going to use the quadratic formula to find the value of y. Then simplify by plugging in the values of a, b, c in the quadratic formula. Note that the value of square root of negative 1 is equal to I, which means it's an imaginary number. Now we've got the value of y is equals to negative 4 plus minus the square root of 32 I all over 6, which is not the solution of the given equation, so the value of y is a complex form. Therefore, the obtained value of y is rejected, meaning no solution for the given equation. Until then, hope you liked, learned and enjoyed this video. Subscribes for more. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.